Welcome to the sandy shores of the Shotover River, located on the beautiful South Island of New Zealand. You've come along for a 15-minute guided meditation with me, Korrie. Today's approach is one of my personal favorites, a guided breath journey through the body. It's as if you're receiving a full-body massage through the mind. The results will leave you feeling calm, softened, and restored. Let's get started. Beginning here together by finding a comfortable posture. This could be laying backside on a soft surface like a bed, or perhaps you are upright on a yoga mat with a pillow or a blanket beneath you. Maybe you've opted instead to lay comfortably on the grass or on a cozy floor rug. Or maybe you are sitting in your favorite chair. No matter where you are, take a moment to scan for things that could distract you, and then take action to reduce chance of interruption from your meditation today. Maybe this means closing the door to a room. Perhaps it's turning your phone to silent. Maybe it's grabbing a pillow because your neck is feeling tight, or possibly you pause to retrieve some lavender oil to be able to breathe in an air of calmness. This meditation is meant to feel luxurious, calming, like a gift you are giving to yourself. So really setting up here in a way that allows that gift to be as abundant as possible. Once you feel like you have found your space and time of tranquility, allow your eyes to close. Begin to shift your breath to inhales that enter through the nose and exhales that leave that same way. Begin to feel the body expand as you breathe in, and start to notice the shift to empty as you breathe out. Really slowing down this process of breathing. Let's take the next 5 rounds together. Begin by breathing in through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now continue without my cues, doing your best to keep up that pace of breath for a few rounds on your own, using the chimes to continue with this rhythm. With eyes still closed and your breath pace continuing, bring awareness to your feet. Notice how they feel. If they're making contact with the surface, how sensation results. What's the temperature of the skin and the air landing on it? Is there pain or is there ease? Take a moment to tune in. Now take 3 breaths, imagining that every inhale travels directly to your feet, where the breath in energizes and the breath out softens this place in your body. Next, bring awareness to your legs, scanning up and down from ankles to hips. What can you feel? Where does sensation show up? And where is it absent? Are you holding any tension in your legs, or are they completely at ease, supported by the surface beneath? What does that connection feel like? Where is there space? Where is there contact? Take a moment to notice. And as you take your next 5 breaths, imagine that every inhale travels from your hips down to your ankles, energizing along the way. And as you exhale, the breath travels from your ankles back to your hips, softening along the journey. Next, bringing focus to your torso. Is it making contact with a surface? What does that contact feel like? Is this central spot of the body being supported right now by your muscles or by something external? How does this place shift as breath comes and goes? What does your clothing feel like on your skin as you breathe in and out? Take a moment to notice everything you can. As you take your next 5 breaths, envision your lungs expanding like a balloon as you inhale, opening up fully in all directions. As you exhale, look for and feel a sensation like that of a balloon slowly deflating, with ease releasing all the air you took in, letting the structure of your midsection soften inwards. Next, bring awareness to the arms, scanning up and down from shoulders to wrists. What can you feel? Where does sensation show up and where is it absent? Are you holding any tension in your arms, or are they completely at ease, supported by the surface beneath? What does that connection feel like? Where is there space? Where is there contact? Take a moment to notice. As you take your next 5 breaths, imagine that every inhale travels from your shoulders down to your wrists, energizing along the way. And as you exhale, that breath travels from your wrists back to your shoulders, softening along the journey. Finally, bringing awareness to the hands. What is the temperature of the air on your skin? Is there a sense of ease in all 10 fingers, or are you holding a shape? Really tuning in, can you feel the energy that tingles in the palms? Take a moment to notice. On both hands, gently draw your thumb and index finger to touch. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, connect your middle finger to the thumb. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your ring finger and thumb to touch. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connect your pinky and thumb. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ring finger to thumb. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle finger to thumb. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finally, index finger to thumb. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Softly releasing in your fingers, let the hands land easy. At the same time, letting your breath release too. Hopefully maintaining some of the depth and length we've been exploring. Return to a breath that comes and goes on its own. With your eyes still closed, start to freely wiggle in the fingers. Gently awaken in your feet. Begin to softly welcome movement into the entire body. And as this movement comes, notice each sensation. How does this shift out of stillness feel? When you are ready, place your palms on top of your chest. Taking a moment to feel the beat and rhythm as you turn the corners of your lips upward. With a smile on your face, finding gratitude for this heartbeat, for the beautiful flow of breath, and for the wisdom within that inspired you to carve out this time today. Namaste.